motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty. That motherfuckers guilty.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Of course, afternoon na dito. So, punta kami sa somewhere down the road. Magpapa-eyelash tayo. Wow! Of course, kasama ko ang dalawang bulalit. Jenna! Okay, so dyan na tayo guys. So, see you there.
A few moments later.
So, ayan guys, nandito na kami. Yung eyelash ko, guys, is kailangan ipagawa every 3 weeks or 1 month. Yung eyelash na yan. Pinapatanim natin yun, guys. $150 every 3 weeks or 1 month. It depends on, minsan 150 ang bayad ko. So, mahal ang paganda dyan.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Sa mga magaganda na dyan, shout out sa inyo. Alam ko hindi nyo ito kailangan. So, kasama ko yung mga bata. Kakauwi lang nila. Actually, ano yan, early release today. And my day off today. Oh my God. Hi! Hi, everything! Hey, say hi!
LOL!
Wow! Hindi na bata. fully. So, pupunta kami ng Walmart. To get some stuff. So, ayan guys. So, I just share you how to actually put my eyelash every time. Ito guys is siyempre, hindi ka tayo naghilamos. No, in the morning I have to spot my friend in YouTube, so put some eyeliner somehow here. So, kaya meron pa yung mga so tinanggal din niya yung mascara ko kanina kasi she had to clean it. So ayan guys, sana nagustuhan niyo ang aking live today about my eyelash, and see you in Walmart. Thank you for watching.